The JDU had made their position on Narendra Modi very clear, breaking their partnership in Bihar with BJP over the fact that Mr. Modi had been chosen as the prime ministerial candidate. Now in the Lok Sabha polls, they've suffered for that decision being reduced to a minority as the BJP and its new partner, the LJP, grabbed the votes.
At Patna's Janata Dal United office, not one party worker when we visited. A far cry from 2009 when the action in Bihar was here. This after Nitish Kumar's party was reduced to an insignificant minority in the Lok Sabha, down from 2009 when it won handsomely in alliance with the BJP. Most doors are closed at the Janata Dal United office. If this area was the scene of action in the 2009 Lok Sabha elections, today you just have a handful of policemen who are sitting, in fact, not even standing over here, and there is nobody else, not a single party worker who is here to look at how the Janata Dal United is faring in these elections.
ये जो चुनाव हुआ इसमें एंगेस्ट कांग्रेस वर्सेस बीजेपी, इसी में हम लोग के पार्टी का ऐसा नहीं तो विधानसभा का जो चुनाव होगा उसमें आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं। कम से कम बिहार में विकास इस बार जो था विकास के नाम पे वोट नहीं, सिर्फ एक था कि कांग्रेस हराओ आप बीजेपी जिताओ।
The other big letdown, the performance of Lalu Yadav's Rashtriya Janata Dal, which despite fighting in an alliance with the Congress and the NCP managed just about par with its 2009 showing. Also Lalu's wife Rabri Devi and daughter Meesa Bharti lost the polls.
What was to be for Lalu Prasad Yadav the biggest story in these elections, the resurgence of his party, soon fell flat when it became clear that his wife and his daughter had lost their seats. Clearly the Yadav Muslim consolidation that he sought had not played itself out.
मोदी का कोई लहर नहीं था, ये पूरे सोसाइटी को 2 साल से कम्युनलाइज किया गया और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के माध्यम से, प्रिंट मीडिया के माध्यम से पूरे एक साइकोलॉजिकल वार।
All the action and celebration in Patna was at the BJP office, with the party sweeping the state and winning the maximum number of seats here.
जनता दल यू का बिल्कुल सफाया हो गया। मैं बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार के इस्तीफे की मांग करता हूं। उनको नैतिकता के आधार पर इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और ये मैं इसलिए करारी हार कर रहा हूं कि इस चुनाव को उन्होंने अपने काम का रेफरेंडम बना दिया था।
One of the party's star performers, Shatrughan Sinha, who won Patna Sahib for the second time running.
I am here in this election. That is what has been proved this time. Once again, last time I won with a record margin, and I promised my people that this time I shall not only live up to the expectations of the people of Patna in general and Bihar in particular, but also I shall be making a new record by breaking our previous record.
Also benefiting from the Modi wave, the Paswans of the Lok Janshakti party, wiped out in the 2009 polls, now winning most of the 7 seats they contested, including their own.
हर पार्टी जो है सेकुलरिज्म की बात करती है, लेकिन जो सेकुलर पार्टी हैं वो ज़्यादा कम्युनलिज्म को प्रचार करते हैं और इसलिए जो हमने फैसला लिया एनडीए के साथ में जाने का, बीजेपी के साथ में जाने का, वो बिल्कुल सही फैसला था।
In Patna, with camera persons Habib Ali, Nirmal Sarkar and Manoj Kumar and Radhika Bodia, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.